Good evening viewers, welcome to the Smart Learning French language class. Today's topic is French adjectives. In today's class I will be showing you how to implement French adjectives properly and correctly as per gender and number. Okay. And French adjectives is a very important part of the French grammar. And I'll be discussing some examination questions which are frequently set in different levels of examinations as second language French or third language French in ICSE board, CBSE board or any other professional examinations in French language. And before starting today's topic, please permit me to let you know that I have launched a French communicative course. This is a very short term and total online course. You can comfortably join and you can comfortably follow the course totally online, comfortably at home. Okay. And if you are interested, my contact details is given in the video description. And if you are interested to take the personal guidance regarding ICSE, CBSE French courses, you may contact me. I am teaching and providing the online tuition for school level students also, and I have already taught so many students of almost all reputed schools all over India. And if you are interested, you will get the contact details in the video description, and my website URL is also given in the video description, and you can get details in my website also. Okay. Before starting today's topic, I will be requesting once again to all of my viewers, friends and students to subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel you can get it first. I will request to like and share the video lesson also, because like and share will motivate me to work hard for the next lesson. Let's start today's topic. Thank you. Welcome viewers. Let's start today's topic, French adjectives. Welcome to the class. French adjectives is a very vital part of the French grammar. First example, I am showing you cette femme est ma grand-mère. Okay, this is the first sentence. And the adjective given inside the bracket. That is the first bracket given inside. That is the adjective is vieux in this sentence. Okay. And cette femme, actually I am underlining this word. Okay, this word is underlined. And you have to put the adjective in the proper position. That is, adjective will come before the underlined word or after the underlined word. In some cases in French grammar, some adjectives come before the noun and some adjectives, very attentively listen to me, some adjectives come after the noun. Okay. And the adjective also vary according to the number and gender. Okay. The noun is masculine or feminine, it depends on that. Singular or plural, it depends on that. Okay. And it varies according to the number and gender. I am showing you this example, first example, the vieux. Vieux means actually old. And the sentence is, cette femme est ma grand-mère. Cette femme, this lady is my grandmother. Okay, this is the English meaning of the sentence. But vieux, that is the old lady. I have to apply this adjective properly. Okay. But vieux, it is for masculine. And in French grammar, if it is feminine noun, then it will be vieille. So your answer will be cette vieille femme. This is the first point. Cette vieille femme. Your adjective is form is vieille for feminine. Okay. And this is the first point. And the vieille, the adjective, it is coming before the noun. That is femme, underlined noun was femme. And it is coming before the noun. Okay. Cette vieille femme est ma grand-mère. This is the complete answer. So this is the first point, that this adjective vieux, it is the feminine form is vieille and it is coming before the noun. So underlined noun is femme and it is coming before the word femme. The complete answer is cette vieille femme est ma grand-mère. This is the proper implementation of the adjective vieux. Okay. And English meaning is, this old lady is my grandmother. Okay. Please take down in your copy. How to implement properly as per number and gender. I am showing you in this class that how to implement adjective properly and correctly. Okay, French adjectives. Please take down in your copy. I am going for the next sentence. J'achète is the verb acheter. J'achète une maison. Maison is house. This is underlined word. Okay, this noun is underlined in this sentence. J'achète une maison, and the adjective is given inside the bracket. Adjective is gras. So j'achète is the verb from acheter. It is called I buy. Okay, j'achète means I buy. I buy a house. But gras is big house. But you have to consider it will come before the noun or after the noun, this adjective. And it will vary according to the gender of the noun. The noun is underlined here, it is maison. So maison is feminine, maison is house, house is feminine. So your answer will be according to the number and gender. J'achète, I am showing you the complete answer. J'achète une grande. I am making it feminine, the adjective. It is a gra for masculine, grande. Une grande maison. This is the complete answer. I buy a big house. This is the complete answer. English meaning. J'achète une grande maison. See here attentively. That grand, it is according to the noun, gender of the noun, it becomes grande. Okay. And the adjective grande is coming before the noun, maison. That is underlined noun. Okay. This is the complete answer. That's example number 2. Please take down in your copy. I am going for the third one. Third example. La maison est, la maison, the house is, la maison est dans un endroit. Endroit means place. La maison est dans un endroit. But the adjective given is inside bracket is beau. Beau means beautiful. The house is in a beautiful place. Endroit is place. Okay? The English meaning of the sentence. So now the endroit is the noun actually underlined. You have to place the adjective properly and correctly as per number and gender. So la maison est dans un endroit. Endroit is a place starting with vowel, is a word. So your answer will be la maison et dans un bel endroit. Very attentively listen to me. That is, the adjective becomes belle. Beau is beautiful. It is for masculine, and when the masculine word is starting with vowel or H mute, then you are taking it belle, B-E-L. La maison est dans un bel endroit. This is the complete answer. And it is being placed before the noun. Okay, endroit is the noun underlined and it is placed before the noun. La maison, the house is in a beautiful place. Okay, the complete answer. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. Next sentence. Elle choisit une robe. Elle choisit une robe. And the adjective of color is given inside the bracket in this sentence. Okay, elle choisit une robe. So, elle choisit une robe, the English meaning is she chooses a dress. She chooses a dress. Okay. Now you have to apply the adjective of color given inside the bracket. That is blue color, blue. So how to apply it? Robe is actually underlined noun. Is the dress. Okay, in French. So robe, you have to place the adjective properly. So your answer is elle choisit une robe bleue. This is the complete answer. Actually, robe is feminine, underlined noun. I am making it color, adjective of color, I am making it feminine. Okay? And be careful regarding the use, that is the adjective of color is coming after the noun. Okay? The previous sentences I have shown you regarding, that is the adjectives was placed before the noun, but it is the exceptional point, that is the adjective of color comes always after the noun, that is robe. Elle choisit une robe bleue. Be careful regarding this use. Elle choisit une robe bleue, that is the adjective of color is coming after the noun. Okay, and it is feminine noun, so the color also becomes feminine. We are adding an extra e. Okay, this is a complete answer. Elle choisit une robe bleue. She chooses a blue dress. Okay, is the English meaning. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. Le salon a des meubles. Le salon a des meubles. And the adjective is given inside the bracket. The drawing room has some furnitures and your adjective is Asia. It is given inside the bracket. Asia is old. The moblo is the underlined noun in the concerned sentence. Okay, moblo. So how to apply? Moblo is actually masculine and it is plural in this sentence. So your adjective will vary as per gender and number. Lo salo a de moblo Asia. Asia with S. Okay. So the complete sentence is Lo salón de moblo Asia. That is, the drawing room has some old furnitures. Okay. This is the complete answer for this question, this sentence. Okay. Please take down in your copy. I'm going for the next one. C'est une plaisanterie c'est une plaisanterie c'est une plaisanterie adjective is mauvais. Here plaisanterie is the underlined noun, corresponding noun. Okay. Your answer will be c'est une plaisanterie is feminine. So it will be the adjective mauvais is bad. It will be also mauvaise, that is feminine. Mauvaise plaisanterie. That means it is a bad joke. Okay. This is the complete answer for this sentence. Okay. That's all for today's class. I'll be coming with a next grammatical topic of the French grammar in next video lesson. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for attending the class.